Vice President Sara Duterte was due to appear before the National Bureau of Investigation today over her recent remarks, but she requested to reschedule the probe. The details from PTV's Mela Lesmoras.
Vice President Sara Duterte did not attend the probe of the National Bureau of Investigation today regarding her alleged threats against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Marcos, and House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Her legal counsel went at the NBI instead and asked for a reschedule.
Late na niya nalaman na canceled ang kanyang appearance before the House Committee hearing. So, tapos hindi na siya nakapunta dito and ask for a resetting. Hindi naman tayo nang iipit ng tao eh. Ang gusto natin yung katotohanan, maliwanagan ng sambayanan.
On the letter submitted by the Vice President's counsel, she stated that aside from the request for reschedule, she is asking for the list of questions from the NBI. The agency said this will be up for discussion as this is not the usual due process. But they wish for Vice President Sara Duterte to attend on December 11. Aside from the investigation on her recent pronouncements, the NBI will also look into the alleged threats against her.
Halimbawa, magkasakit si ma'am, ay valid reason yan, or whatever, na valid reason, no? Except lang yung hindi siya dadating dito, ni Hani Ho, walang papadalang counsel, that will indicate na nagwe-waive na siya sa kanyang karapatan na humarap sa aming investigasyon.
The NBI will also issue a subpoena to those who actively participated to the live Zoom press conference.
Mamaya, isa-serve na ang subpoena doon sa mga nag-attend, doon sa video clip na identified na namin. Mag-shed light, tanungin namin kung nangyari yun, in their presence, nagtatanong sila, yun, surrounding those matters.
From PTV Manila, Mela Lesmoras with Luisa Erispe, Balitang Pambansa.